So we infiltrated the upper abdomen and the breast, also upper side, upper breast, and then waited for about 15 minutes, and then we are aspirating. Now we are about to aspirate with a 3 mm cannula, which has some few holes. You can see it. So, pain anundamma? Okay. So put some negative pressure for it. Quick, 10 ml syringe later. పెయిన్ ఏమైనా తెలుస్తుందమ్మా? పెయిన్ లేదు కదా? సరే. You can see the fat coming out. ఇంకా ఫ్లూయిడ్ వేస్తాం.